Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you the new admin panel in Fortnite Chapter 7 Season 4. I'll also show you the codes you can use to get free rewards. Keep in mind that these codes may only be available for a limited time. So use them as soon as possible to claim the rewards before they expire. Let's get started. First, open Fortnite. Go to the lobby. Open the admin panel. Here, you can enter special codes to unlock different rewards. Let's start with some useful codes. Use perfect order. This gives you 4 spicy tacos. Next, use survive the night. You'll get 2 cheat code locators. These can help you find sprites while exploring the map. There are also codes that give you sprite dust. Use the sprite dust code shown on screen. Each one gives you 2000 sprite dust. Sprite dust is useful for sprite-related rewards and progression this season. You can also unlock free loading screens. Be More Alien gives you the override radio loading screen. And Reach Your Impossible unlocks the block party loading screen. Make sure to try these codes. You can also get free XP. Override XP gives you 40,000 XP. There are even more rewards available through the admin panel. Some codes can give you cheat code locators, supply drops, and other useful items. Fortnite may activate new codes over time. So if a code doesn't work, it may not be active yet. That's everything you need to know about these admin panel codes. If this video helped you, leave a like and subscribe to Guidify. Thanks for watching.